Welcome, guys. Today we'll start to actually resolve the clauses in the predicate logic. Okay, now how should we start for resolution? Okay, this is the first question from where we should start for resolution. Okay, now the resolution is started by selecting the clause which is negation of the goal. That is, for example, the example we had already seen. What is that? In that example we are having four sentences and the last sentence is that is someone smiling. That is, we have to start the resolution just by negating the goal, and our goal is that is someone smiling. We have to prove that. Okay, now we have to start the resolution just by negating the sentences or negating the goal clause. Okay, see here, in the process of resolution what we had done, we had first taken the example, after that converted all the sentences in the English language into the predicate logic. Okay, after converting them into the predicate logic, we had converted them into the, this is, we had converted them into predicate logic. Okay, after converting into the predicate logic, we had convert them into the clausal normal form. Okay, here we are having the clausal normal form which will get after the conversion of predicate logic, okay, into the CNF. These are the four sentences or four clauses we got after the conversion of predicate logic into CNF. Now we'll start resolving the clauses. Okay, what we have to prove? We have to prove is someone smiling. Now to solve this, we just start by selecting the clause which is fourth one, that is negation of smiling, which is that negation of smiling. The clause number 4 we had selected to resolve the goal. Okay, now after selection of this clause, we start we start searching for the available clauses. In that we will select the clause which is having the predicate that is smiling. Okay, now in the clause number 2 we are having the predicate smiling which is the complement of the clause 4, that is negation of smiling. That's why we are selected the clause 2 to resolve with clause 4. The clause 2 has the negation of happy of y or smiling of y. Now after selecting the clause, see here in this negation, in the clause 4 and clause 2 we are having two different variables, that is variable w and variable y, because that is smiling of w and happy in the clause 2, happy of y and smiling of y. Here we are having two different kinds of variable. So before resolve it, we had seen previously that to make them we have to unify them, and to unify them we will make the substitution for our variable. That is, after substitution, that is here we'll substitute w for y. In our clause 4 we are having w, so we'll try to substitute w for y in clause 2. Okay, after substituting w for y in a clause 2, we'll get the negation of happy of W or smiling of W. Now see, here we are having all the variables are same, that is clause number 4 having negation smiling of W, and clause number 2 having negation happy of W or smiling of W. Okay, now after unifying, here we had unified the clause first. Okay, after unifying, now we'll try to resolve the clause number 4 and clause number 2. See what we'll get after resolving 4 and 2, that is clause number 4 and clause number 2, the negation of smiling out W and smiling out W will get cancelled, and what will remain with the negation happy of W, that is the new clause we get. We'll number it as a 5th clause. Okay, we are having previously 4 clause which are already available in our example. Now after resolving this, we are getting new clause, we'll number it as a 5th one. Okay, that is what we get after resolving this. See, now we get the new clause, that is negation happy of W. Now we try to resolve this clause, that is clause number 5. For resolving it, what we will do, we'll again try to search the clause which is complement of negation of happy of W. For this, we are having the clause number 1 which consists of what? The negation of graduating of X or happy of X. Here we are having positive happy of X, and in clause number 5 we are having negation of happy of W. See, again we are having the question of variables which are different in both the clauses. In clause number 5 we are having variable W with happy, and in clause number 1 we are having X with graduating and happy. Okay, so again we need to unify the clause 1 and 5. So after the unification, that is after substituting this one, what we'll get, we try to unify them, and what we'll try to substitute, we'll substitute here W for X, and after substitution we'll get negation of graduating W or happy of W. So now our new clause 1 is having variable W, and again the clause number 5 we are having the variable W. See, now here we can resolve them because now we are having the similar kinds of variables in both the clauses, that is W. After resolving this two, that is clause number 1 and clause number 5, we will get the new clause, that is the 6th one, because from clause number 5 and clause number 1 the happy will get cancelled and remaining will get, that is negation of graduating of W. Okay, this is what we get after resolving the clause number 5 and 1. Okay, now we start searching the clause which will be the complement of negation of graduating of W, because we have to again resolve the clause number 6. Okay, that is the new clause what we got after resolving 5 and 1. Now to resolve this clause number 6, we try to find the clause which will complement of this clause number 6. So we are having the clause number 3, which is graduating of name 1. Okay, now clause number 6 is having negation of graduating of W, and clause number 3 is having graduating of name 1. See here, both clauses, clause number 6 and 3, are complement of each other. Now again we are having the question of the variables. Here we are having W, and here we are having the constant name 1 in the clause number 3. Okay, clause number 6 is having variable W. So remember one thing here we substitute the constant for variable. That means we will substitute what? We will substitute name 1 for W. Okay, after substituting name 1 for W, will get negation of graduating of name 1. Okay, now the new clause of 6 is negation of graduating of name 1. Now see the clause number 3 and the new clause number 6, both are same. The only difference is that the clause number 6 is having negation with it. Now we can easily resolve the clause number 6 and clause number 3. After resolving this, both gets cancelled, and at last we'll get the null clause, because we'll get nothing, so we'll represent it as a null clause after resolving the clause number 3 and the clause number 6. Okay, as at the last we got null clause, hence it proves that whatever our goal was. Okay, that is how we had resolved our example. Okay, hope you got this, and thank you.